Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to call a taxi on booking.com application, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So at the top section you can see the taxi option, click on it. So if you travel somewhere but you do not have a car, or you do not want to rent one, but you want to go somewhere and you want to get a taxi, on booking.com you can do that from all over the world. So now you have to enter the pickup location, let's say Los Angeles airport, and the enter destination, let's say city center Hotel Los Angeles, for example. And you have to set the date, tell us when, let's say next week time, okay, confirm. And it says that need a return. You can select or choose this option as well. And now click on the see prices, and here you can see the taxis that are available. For example, the first one, choose standard. Here some flight tracking option. If you want that, you can type in where you are flying from. If not, click on the skip for now option. And then here you can see your trip, your journey summary. You have to give the contact details, and okay, let's say the first name, Smith Adam. Okay, email address, okay, for example gmail.com. Again, just to show you, it's not a valid email address. So gmail.com, like this, okay. And your mobile number, okay, and then click on the continue. And now you have to choose a payment method. You have to enter your information on your card, and after that you have to click on the book taxi button at the bottom of the screen, and then you are all set. The taxi will be waiting there at your address that you gave. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.